Good morning, everybody. Josh Ezel, Breakthrough Real Estate, Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today's daily tidbit is about posting. As agents, we know we're supposed to be posting on numerous platforms daily. Fact is, most of us don't, and most of us don't because we don't know what we're supposed to be posting, and we're scared to post crap, I guess you could say. So, we're going to touch on each of those things. Number one, be you. Don't be afraid to put the real you out there. People know you're a realtor. Hopefully, if you're not being a secret agent. But a lot of us have a tendency to only post about real estate stuff. What about the real you? What about the coach? What about the car enthusiast? What about the dancer? What about the musician? What about the artist? What about the family person? What about the person that might have had a weird day today? People care about the real you. And what's great about once they get to know the real you, you're going to find people who appreciate you. And they will want to work with you. Find whatever your passions are and post them. Don't be scared to put the real you out there. Don't put this fake you that's so successful in everything. That actually does more harm than good. Okay? Be the real you. Have confidence in you. And next I want to challenge you to try to put it on video and mix it up a little bit. Nobody expects a perfect post. Nobody expects a perfect video. We're not a scripted sitcom, okay? Have fun with it. Enjoy the quote-unquote flaws. Alright? Find whatever it is your passions are. Get out to those people. And those are the people that will naturally be gravitating towards you anyway. And wouldn't you much rather work with people who appreciate the real you and love you, that you can actually talk about real things? Absolutely, guys. Excuse me. Share your posts. Put them below, please. I'd like to see your first forays into getting it out there. Have an awesome week. I hope that plan and everything is just a prime example of have fun with it. There's no wrong answer. Be you. Have a great day. Good morning. This is Josh.